What if you could create something once and get paid for it again and again? That's exactly how digital products work. In this video, I'll show you 5 digital products that can generate passive income, even if you're a complete beginner. Welcome to Passive Profit Lab, where we explore smart ways to make money online and build passive income streams. If you want to learn how to earn online without trading time for money, make sure to subscribe. Now let's jump into the first digital product. Ebooks are one of the simplest digital products to create. You can write about skills you know, personal experiences, or how-to guides. Once created, you can sell your ebook multiple times on different platforms. Many beginners start with short, simple ebooks and scale over time. Templates are in high demand because they save people time. You can create social media templates, resume templates, business templates, or Canva designs. Once uploaded, people can buy and download them instantly. If you have knowledge in any topic, you can turn it into an online course. Courses can include video lessons, guides, or step-by-step tutorials. People are willing to pay to learn skills that save them time or help them earn money. Digital planners and printables are very popular. Examples include daily planners, budget trackers, fitness planners, or study schedules. These products are easy to create and can be sold repeatedly. Stock content includes photos, videos, or graphics. Businesses and creators constantly need content for marketing. Once uploaded to platforms, your content can generate income every time someone downloads it. Many creators combine multiple digital products. For example, selling templates, creating ebooks, and uploading stock content. This creates multiple passive income streams. Digital products are one of the best ways to build passive income online. You create once and earn again and again. The key is to start simple and stay consistent. Subscribe to Passive Profit Lab for more videos about passive income, side hustles, and making money online. And tell me in the comments, which digital product would you create first?